Hey guys, it's Triple Center, and today I've got the 1TB Seagate Backup Plus Slim. This works with both Windows and Mac. What's cool about this is that I found out you can also hook it up to your Xbox One and use it as an external source for storing games. You can get a lot of games out of this, so that's why I have it here. So go ahead and take a look. A little bit of detail on the front here, a little bit on the side. Not very much to look at, honestly. We'll go ahead and pop it up. Now this does come with a 2-year limited warranty. If you'd like to check this product out from Seagate, I'll have it linked to Seagate's website along with Amazon as well. So here we have just a little quick start guide with some warranty information, most likely. Nothing really important at this point. Let me setting it up. Basically what you get in the package is the SATA to USB 3 cable and the 1TB hard drive Slim. Portable hard drive. So that's basically it. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel. And of course, comment if you have any questions, anything down below. And of course, I'll have the link to buy this in the description. Hey guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.